Welcome back, guys. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, if not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, we did analysis for today on Nasdaq 100. I told you guys that at first we need to get a bullish move before we drop. And I told you guys that we would close bearish today, right? So eventually, price gave us that bearish move we were all expecting. But price did actually not push up. Price actually opened up, kind of like a jump movement. You understand, that kind of like a movement we're talking about. Price eventually opened at a level of 11047. Last, the price close was around 10954. So I talked about, price going bullish a little bit before we have that drop. I told you guys you can go back to confirm. So price has now given us that bearish move. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day in order to be able to predict such movements, right? I want you to pay attention so you would understand these movements. Now, when you take a look at this Nasdaq 100, before you place your trade, you would want to ask yourself, what is the trend for that movement? Any trade, be it asset stocks, crypto, commodities, or anything, you would want to know the trend for that movement you would want to trade. And we can see that we are on a downtrend move. Markets give us three movements. It's either is giving us an uptrend move, or it is giving us a downtrend move, or a ranging markets move. But what we are seeing here or getting here is market is giving us a downtrend move. So we have to go ahead and follow the trend. This will be seen as a drop. Then here will be taken to be a pullback on Nasdaq 100. Then here will come a new lows. And here will be seen as a pullback. So we talked about last week hitting a level of 10,687. We got to the level about last week. Was it not last week? Last week Wednesday, I think I think it's Wednesday, right? So actually got to that level. Then a pullback has been made. So today we talked about having a bearish move. So price has now given us that bearish move. Now, is this bearish move over? Definitely not. I also talked about price hitting a level of 10,687 again for today, but price did not get to that level. So for the next day, we would want to be watching out for that level. Let's see if the next day, which is for the 4th of January, that will be on Wednesday. If for the 4th, the next day, price will actually come, give us that bearish move and hit this level of 10,687 and possibly break below it. Who knows if price will break below it? But let's watch out for a level of 10,687. So that is to tell you that the next day we expect Nasdaq 100 to give us a bearish move. As you can also see, it is still trading below the 10 period moving average. So since it is still trading the below it is still trading below our moving average, then I think we all should go ahead and sell on this Nasdaq 100. Now let's see what this forward time frame says. So you can see in the forward time frame we are getting a drop, right? So price has given us that bullish move we talked about, and now a drop has been made. So let's see if this pullback will be over on Nasdaq. Once this pullback is over, maybe then you can go ahead and sell. Above all, we would want to see Nasdaq 100 give us a bearish move once the next day on Nasdaq